Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custom GFX. First, select suitable graphic design software. Popular choices include Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. Next, familiarize yourself with fundamental design principles such as color theory, typography, and composition. Finally, collect high-quality assets like images, textures, and fonts that align with your project's vision. This foundational work is crucial for creating impactful visuals. Once your software is ready, begin by sketching your ideas on paper or digitally to visualize the layout. When working in your chosen program, always use layers to keep your design organized and easily editable. Don't be afraid to experiment with various tools, filters, and effects to discover unique ways to bring your vision to life and add depth to your graphics. After creating your initial design, take time to meticulously review it for any errors, misalignments, or color inconsistencies. Ensure your image resolution is optimized for its intended purpose. For example, use 300 dpi for print or 72 dpi for web. Finally, export your custom graphic in the correct file format, such as PNG for transparency or JPEG for photographs, ensuring quality. To truly master custom GFX, consistent practice is key. The more you create, the better you'll become. Don't hesitate to share your work and ask for constructive feedback from peers or online communities. Their insights can offer fresh perspectives and highlight areas for improvement. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep creating and exploring new design possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.